नहीं लाया जा सका, जिससे करोड़ों की लागत से बने उस इसी प्रकार सड़क निर्माण का काम कई एजेंसियां करती है, जैसे प्रमुख राजमार्गों का निर्माण NHAI करती है। इसके बाद आगे की सड़क का निर्माण राज्य PWD करती है, लेकिन उस तक गैस पाइपलाइन की व्यवस्था नहीं की गई। गैस पाइपलाइन की अनुपलब्धता के कारण कहीं सड़क और रेल तो पहुंच जाती है, लेकिन इन दोनों को जोड़ने के लिए आवश्यक लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी नहीं पहुंच पाती। इन सभी के पीछे सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि अलग अलग विभाग अलग अलग काम करते रहते हैं, और इन सबका परिणाम प्रोजेक्ट के पूरा होने में भी लागत में वृद्धि और आम जनता को परेशान करना। ऐसा भी देखा गया है। मंत्री जी ने कहा,
भारत को आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ ही इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर निर्माण में होलिस्टिक अप्रोच, इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच अपनाने की बहुत जरूरत है। आने वाले कुछ ही समय में प्रधानमंत्री गति शक्ति का नेशनल मास्टर प्लान करोड़ों देशवासियों को सपना करने वाली बहुत बड़ी योजना लेकर के
the hotels. Other people come to know. Then they'll understand. Yes, this port trust going like this. I got my project. Those are the approaches. Don't going ahead like this. My project is coming. My gas pipeline is coming, or my other service pipeline is coming. So you can incorporate. Otherwise, it is a total loss.
While talking, Chairman said that the domestic cruise will be the biggest game changer for Goemkarponn.
Yeah, because see, India, see, question is India got population 1.4 billion, and India is very one of the fastest growing economy also. We are not getting opportunity from India. Earlier, all our people go to Singapore, Norway to enjoy the cruise. Now, a lot of people are showing interest from Mumbai or Goa to go to Lakshadweep or Maldives. It's already started. It will improve. 100% it will. A lot of people showing interest. It's not, you can't consider India a poor country. You've got money to spend.
You said something about container to container things will be sorted out.
See, container main issues there. Earlier containers, India is very small port, very small parcel of the container. So we are relying on ship gear, small ships. Now all of a sudden ship gear concept stopped. No, they're not coming. It's not viable for them. So, shore side you got only one crane. Relying on one crane also difficult. If one crane broken down, they have to go back. So, it's not a very good process. We are trying our level best to get at least one crane. Hope so. We are trying all way because by relaxing the tender conditions and we reply to the government of India, they are also very positive to give money. Let us see. In the 2-3 months, we hope we will solve this issue.
But if that TOR is not given, then the project what will happen?
Then you have to again apply for TOR, again you have to go over EIS study, again you have to go to public hearing. All things you have to repeat. It will take another 2-3 years.
So when is the last day you said?
May 7th.
May 7th. And when was the file given to the chairman?
2019.
So for last 2 years the file is with the government.
Yeah, because the ZM plan is not clear. No? Still they can give NOC. We are not asking environment to clear. If NOC is given means, as and when ZMP clears what you call by central government. Authority is an exim gateway. We got a lot of projects. It is interlinked with other ministries. For example, if you want port development, if you want a road connectivity, if you want a railway connectivity, if you want to connect with the customs, you want to connect with the immigration. So, by integrating everybody, so things will move fast. That's the ambition of this one. Because so many projects getting delayed, only interdepartmental, interministerial delays. They don't understand the basic of this one. It is getting delayed. So this is very important that all ministries will come in one quarter, understand each other, and will not do any duplicate work. Otherwise, if you want road completed, very next year another person will come, I want to lay optic labor, and you want to cut the road. That will be very good.
What are projects?
It was to be public hearing, everything is over. They had objection that should not shift oil terminal there. Definitely we are not going to shift there. So all our state is over, everything is submitted to our state government. Now they have to give NOC for the uploading our environmental clearance portal. Without NOC, you can't upload. If you don't upload by May 7th, or TOR validity getting expired, then again you have to start and because it will take another 5 years in Goa. So if they give NOC by May, we'll upload and things will get cleared because it's for defense, not for us. That we are going to develop for the Navy or Coast Guard mostly.
But in that project,
Department, Service Ministry are ready to give about 150 crores. Earlier we had planned state government, MPT and Sagarmala. I don't think required. Fisheries Ministry is ready to pay full amount. By that election has come. Then we are returned to Chief Secretary now. When Chairman comes here, we'll go and appointment now. Price Secretary. Because this is very important.